Power BI with Fabric in Power Platform, Power BI. Get detailed in today's video with Microsoft Fabric and Power BI combining to form a comprehensive solution to all of your data needs. Overview. Create reports in seconds, generate DAX calculations, create summaries, and get answers, all in conversational language. Unify your data estate. Quickly create and tailor reports by simply describing what you want or asking questions about your data. Transform your data. Understand your data faster by adding insightful text summaries, and even tailor the tone, scope, and style of narratives. Unify your data governance. Use Copilot across the Power BI experience, including in the Explore feature to summarize your semantic models and in the DAX query view to write and explain DAX queries.